Hey guys, hope you all are well and good. Today in my video I have created a very simple and elegant look with soft eyes and bold lips. If you like it, give a thumbs up, comment on the comment section and share it with your friends. Those who are new, subscribe my channel. You can also catch me on Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rumu Mridha. So let's start. At first, I will prep my skin with the primer. Today I will use the primer of Colorbar. It fills all my pores and also cover all the uneven texture of my skin. After using the primer, I will switch off to the concealer. I have pimple scar on my cheeks. It helps to cover all the scars of my cheek. Today I am using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I will apply it on my under eye area on my cheeks to cover all the scars and also my dark circles. Though I have a little dark circle under my eyes, but still it's need to cover. Now I will blend the concealer with a beauty blender. You can also blend it with a brush, but I feel the beauty blender is the right thing to blend it. The blending is almost done. Now to lock the concealer, I will use the setting powder, or you can say the translucent powder. Today I will use the PAC HD translucent powder. It will lock the concealer and will not allow to move it. The brush that I am using is from Puna store. I have bought it from Amazon and I will leave the link in my description box. After using this setting powder, I will move on to foundation. The foundation I have used today is Loreal Infallible 24 Hours Foundation, which is the most reasonable but medium coverage and one of my favorite foundation. My shade is 220. I am applying the foundation with a kabuki brush, which I have again bought it from the Amazon. You can also apply your foundation with the beauty blender. After applying the foundation, I am going to use the same setting powder to lock my foundation. Don't forget to apply the foundation on the neck portion, because sometimes we forget to apply it and the face looks in one shade and our neck portion look in another shade, which is so weird. So please put the foundation in your face and also on your neck. After using the setting powder, now I will move to my eyes. I am using an orangish brown color from my Morphe James Charles mini palette. I am using it on my crease lines, especially on the outer corner of my eyes. After applying on both of my eyes, I will blend it with a fluffy blending brush so that no harsh lines are visible. Now I will apply a golden color from the same palette on the center part of my eyes. I have told you already that today's eye makeup will be very simple and sleek, so I have used only 2 colors to complete my eye makeup. It is very easy and simple one. You can do it easily at your home and enjoy the daytime parties and occasion. Instead of using kajal, I am using a dark brown color on my lower lash lines. It will elongate my eyes and will look bigger and fresh. Kajal will make my eyes heavy and very dark. So I thought the brown eyeshadow is the best option to make my eyes elongate and as well as look fresh. Now I will move to the gel eyeliner from Maybelline. This is one of my favorite eyeliner. Sometimes I also use this eyeliner as a kajal also. It is smudge proof and waterproof and stay on its place minimum 8 to 10 hours. Today I will try a wing eyeliner which is very much in fashion. So pull a line from the extreme corner of your eyes and join to the lash line. Now fill the gap of the liner. The wing liner gives a dramatic look to your eyes. I am just now filling the gaps of the liner. Today I will not do my brows because due to the quarantine period my brows are not in the shape, so naturally my brows are thick. If I again do it, it will look weird. That's why today I will not do my brows. Let them be natural. Just to give a dimension of my face, I am contouring it. I am contouring with the color which I have used in my lower lash line. I am not using any bronzer palette or a contouring palette to show you how minimum products are required to do your makeup. Now I will apply the blusher, which you can see I have used 80% of it. It is a Colorbar product. Shade Coral Carving. It actually suits my complexion and I regularly use it to give a hue on my makeup. Today my choice of highlighter is from Makeup Revolution. I will apply it on the high points of my face. Highlighter should be very subtle and soft so that it doesn't look that you have put a layers of highlighter on your face. Don't forget to apply the highlighter on your brow bone and also near your tear duct. It looks very fresh and separates your eyes and look elongated. I have done my lips with MAC Retro Matte shade Fashion Legacy. To set all my makeup, I am using a setting spray from Makeup Revolution, just as you put hairspray after your hairdo. This is my final look. Hope you like it. Simple eyes, bold red classic lips with loose curls is always in fashion. I like this era of makeup. Drop your thoughts on the comment section and also suggest which type of makeup or look you want to see from me. Bye guys. See you on the next brand new one.